Welcome! The following video will demonstrate how to disarm an edge system using face recognition. Your first step will depend on whether your system is set to arm stay mode or armed away mode. If your system is set to arm stay mode, you'll need to first tap the disarm button on the arm stay home screen. If your system is set to armed away mode, you'll likely skip this step because once you do something to trigger an entry sensor, such as open your front door, the disarm screen will automatically open. Next, you'll want to position your face within the camera frame and turn your head slightly to the left and then slightly to the right. The system will analyze your face and then disarm your system. Here's a live demonstration to show you how quick and easy face recognition disarming is. You still have the option to disarm your system by entering your user code rather than via face recognition. If you want to enter your user code, tap the keypad button and then use the on-screen keypad to type in your user code. The panel will disarm. Now that you know how to use face recognition, let's talk about the face recognition profile update process. Sometimes when there's changes to a user's profile, the system won't authenticate the user if it can't confidently identify them. Here's a few examples of situations where the user's profile may not be recognized: different lighting conditions, changes in facial hair, or the user's wearing a hat or glasses. If this happens, the panel will automatically direct that user to enter their user code. The panel will then record a few face snapshots of that user during the failed face recognition disarm. The master user can then approve these snapshots to update that user's profile, so the system will recognize the user's profile the next time the user tries face recognition in similar conditions. Let's go over the face recognition profile update process in more detail. As we just mentioned, if changes to a user's profile prevent the panel from recognizing a user's face, the panel will automatically open the keypad menu and direct the user to enter their code. The panel will disarm once the code is entered, and you'll notice there's now an orange numeric icon in the header bar. This indicates there's a new notification that needs review. The master user will then tap the notification icon and then select Messages from the list. The master user will then need to tap on the message title to open and read the full message. The system will prompt the master user to enter their code. Note, the system will only accept the master user code at this point, as he or she is the only user who can read this message. The master user will then tap the Update Profile button and then tap the Update button next to the Face Not Recognized text. Next, the master user will want to select all of the snapshot images to be added to the user's face profile and then tap the Update Profile button. A success message will display on screen. Tap OK to close the message. The new snapshot images are now added to the user's profile, and the panel will now recognize the user's face in similar conditions. But don't worry, all the original previously recorded user profile images are still active as well. Tap the home icon to return to the home screen. Congratulations! The panel's now disarmed and the face recognition profile update process is complete.